Hey everybody, this is Geoff Livingston and I've got some exciting news today. I'm here with my partner, Greg Verdino. Greg, what are we up to?
So Geoff and I have decided to join forces. We've both been consulting independently in the area of AI and marketing technology in general, and we've decided to come together as CognitivePath, a research and advisory firm that's focused on helping marketing organizations adopt to this age of AI. Geoff, do you want to talk a little bit about the kind of work we're doing?
Yeah, we have some exciting offerings. One is the Cognitive Path, which is a newsletter on Substack. You can subscribe today, get free executive summaries of all the news and trends. We have workshops that are available. You can use those to jumpstart your AI, train up, get some consensus inside on how to move forward with AI. And then finally, we have an advisory service where people can get direct access to us on an as-needed basis. In the future, we'll be launching what we're calling Pathfinder reports, which will get in depth about the biggest trends that are impacting the marketing organization today. So we think we're a little bit different than both the research and advisories and all the pundits that are out there that are covering AI for marketers today. Why is that, Greg?
I would really point to three things, Geoff. So the first thing is our focus. As we've already indicated, we are focused specifically on the marketing decision maker and helping that decision maker make smarter, faster choices so that their organization can take action. Essentially, this is advisory by marketers for marketers, and we're leveraging our decades of experience as practitioners, both on the agency and client side. The second thing is the level of depth, the in-depth analysis we provide, the fact that we are going deep rather than wide, and our initial practice is focused specifically on artificial intelligence in the marketing space rather than being a generalist technology advisory practice. It's where the need is right now. It's where the ball is. It's where we're seeing a lot of requests for support, guidance, advisory, and help, and we're focused right there right now. And the third thing is objectivity. Geoff, you want to talk about that a little bit?
We're not going to parrot vendor messaging. We're not going to accept things carte blanche as a news release that this is actually happening. We're going to look in depth. We're going to analyze it, and we're going to determine the impacts of the marketing organization. And we're not going to do so on behalf of a vendor. We're so vested in this point of view that we're actually not taking vendors on as either workshop or advisory clients. So, Greg, where can people find us?
People can find us at cognitivepath.com.
All right. Looking forward to it. See you soon, folks.